Hi, your friend Adeyemi Oluwaseun is here. Quick one, please. There is no time to waste here. All right, so on this update, I really want to show you how you can claim 200,000 theorem. All right, this free airdrop token, and according to the research, is going to be listed on the pancake by August 28th, and it's going to be listed at 0.3. And if you were able to get to 100 million free token, that's going to be crazy. It's going to be crazy, right? So now let's quickly go to the Trust Wallet. Please, if you are new to this channel, I want to click on the subscription button. Please subscribe to this channel so that you'll be getting quality content like this every time. All right, so this channel is all about showing you different opportunities that is online, either paid or free. All right, to make money for yourself, right? So now we are now on Trust Wallet token. If you don't know anything about Trust Wallet or free airdrop, you can just go to my channel. You will see, watch different videos that talks about free airdrop, so you are going to see, you are going to understand better, because on this update I'm just going straight to the business, right? So now this is the Trust Wallet. So you go to the DApp as we normally do, then so this the link you are going to see it. Just join the group. Join the group is you are going to just go to the section below. The first link that you're going to see there, you see a link that you can use to join my Telegram group, where you are going to see all details. Because the reason why you're doing that is because you cannot copy all the information that you actually needed to claim this free airdrop on this as you are watching it now. All right, so as you're watching on phone now, you cannot copy. So that's why we now put everything inside the Telegram group, so that you're able to be copying them easily. All right, so now this is theorem. So you can also do your own research as well. Then all you need to do is just so let's just see different information about them. So you can see that it's going to be listed on PancakeSwap with this price 0.03, that is 30 cents. And let's go. If you can see more details on their website too, like this, so you can also go through their roadmap. All right, so and you can see that it's going to be get listed right here. Okay, you're going to be get listed on PancakeSwap, Huobi, and Binance. So this is the time for you guys to quickly claim this free airdrop. So I don't want you to miss it for any reason. So all you need to do is just to click on this claim right here. Claim. You see claim right here. All right, you see claim right here. So now you click on claim. Then you know that you must have little Binance. All right, this little Binance on your, that's BNB on your smart Binance. So now let me see if I can decrease this 100 save. If I can go lower. All right, so 1.18. All right, let me just go straight, because I don't want to waste much of my time right here. So I'm expecting the notification. All right, so we just got the notification that everything has gone successfully, right? So then the next thing you're gonna do right here, you can see this is the contract address, and you can also go to Telegram group to copy the contract address there too. So then let me just come right here, then come this way, then come to this way to add it, at least to add it in my, you can see this one. So all you need to just click on it, then you paste it, right? So let's see if it will come up. If it does not come up, then you click on add custom. All right, so you need to click on add custom, like this one. All right, so then click on add custom. Then you have to change this, right? So you have to change this to smart chain from Ethereum. Then you paste this, so you can see it came out automatically, right? Then you click on done. So let's see. So you can see we just claim 200 million right now. So as you can see, so all you need to do right now, guys, is just to do your own as well. Claim it. Thank God it's just free, and you get a pancake swap with your 0.3 is going to be, something crazy. Please, I want you to do your own research as well about the coin. All right, you can also do your research. That is if you are not satisfied with what I just did. All right, so thank you very much. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun. Thank you for watching my video every time. Bye.